Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful messy bun on fine or thin hair. To start, apply some texture spray all throughout the hair. I'll pop the ones I use in the description below. Then I'm going to pop a loose curl through the hair. This doesn't have to be perfect, but it really helps when working with fine hair. Next, divide the hair straight across from about the end of the eyebrow height. And we're just going to clip that top section out of the way for later. Divide that bottom section into a left and right half, and we're going to secure the right half into a ponytail about top of ear height. Then repeat on the left hand side. So you should have two ponytails next to each other. Release the hair from the top of the head down. And we're going to do the same steps, so divide it in half and then pop each half into a ponytail right above the other ones. Do this on both sides of the head, so you should have 4 ponytails, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Next, gently pinch and pull the hair at the top of the head to create more volume and texture. And I'm going to start on that top right hand ponytail and I'm going to create a simple knot. I do this by wrapping it around my fingers to create a loop and then pulling the ends all the way through. Pull this tight to the head and then secure it with a few bobby pins. Leave the tail ends hanging out. Then repeat on the left hand side. So make your knot. So create your loop and pull the ends through. Pull it tight to the head and position it next to the first one so there's not really a gap, and then secure with some bobby pins. And we're going to repeat the same step on the bottom 2 ponytails. So create your knot by wrapping it around your fingers and pulling the ends through the middle. Make sure you position this close to those knots at the top and secure all the way round with as many bobby pins as needed. If you're new to my channel or just find yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe. Then we're going to do the same steps on that last section of hair. So create your knot, pull it tight to the head, pushing it against the others and secure with some pins. Add some volume powder all over that bun. Again, this will be linked in my description. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull every loop and twist of this bun apart. The more you pinch and pull it, the bigger the bun will get. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.